Hi, this is Lily of VG Laser. VG Laser was founded in 2001 as a core company of Zhutian Laser Group in the field of industrial laser applications. We focused on the industrial laser field and committed to providing customers with excellent products and service.
Hi, this is Arrow from VG Laser with more than 4 years experience and very familiar with all aspects of laser products.
Hello, this is Karina from ZG Laser. We are fully committed to providing the best solutions and the customer service to our customers around the world.
Hello, I'm Rose from ZG Laser. We not only provide the support during the transaction process, but also focus on continuous service and customer relationship maintenance after the transaction.
Hello, I'm Nikki from ZG Laser Sales. Our goal is to meet and achieve customer expectations by providing first-class products. I'm here to make sure your needs are met and help you to achieve your business goals.
Hello, this is CEO from Zhutian ZG Laser. We have rich experience and enthusiasm in the field of laser welding and cutting machine. Looking forward to learning about your needs and providing a customized solution to you.
Six-axis robotic arm can effectively handle laser welding operations and help achieve flexible, efficient, and free welding processes, which is responsible for holding and positioning the welding tool. These robots are programmed to follow specific welding paths. Structure of CNC laser robot welding machine laser parts, including laser saws, chiller, welding head, robot arm, auxiliary devices and workstations, including single, double, or three-station workbench, positioner, fixture, and etc. As the most widely used industrial robot, six-axis industrial robot has many advantages, such as high flexibility, heavy load, and high positioning accuracy, and etc. The design of this robot gives it a wider working range and more flexible movement capabilities, and can adapt to workpieces of different shapes and sizes. The manipulator six-axis robot can achieve different actions and operations through programming and control systems, and can simulate the movement of human arms to complete assembly, handling, welding, sparing, and other tasks. The welding robotic system offers a great mix of speed, reach, payload capacity, and reach. This robot can cover the vast majority of laser welding applications. They excel in small to medium-sized welding tasks. Their excellent range of motion helps them weld complex part geometries. Advantages of automatic six-axis laser welding robot: intelligence and flexibility, customized fixtures, dual station or station welding, high repeatability and low running costs, replacement of manual operation.